Minista wa maria maturigicĩirie ucenjia wa rĩera na mĩtitũ Soipan Tuya augĩte bũrũri wa Kenya waya gwĩciria kũgarũrĩra harĩ kũrũmĩrĩra mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩheanagwo nĩ bengi ya thĩ ĩgiĩ kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩheagwo kũrĩ mabũrũri gũteithĩrĩria kũhũrana na ũgarũrũku wa rĩera. Kũringana na Soipan nĩ atĩ mĩhang'o na mawatho marĩa mekĩrĩirwo kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ mĩritũ kũhingia ũkĩringithania na mathĩna marĩa maragũmĩra mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika.
We have had his promises. All we have had is deals that have been struck with a lot of money pronounced. But for us, if the climate financing framework cannot respond to the loss and damage that Kenya is faced with at the moment, then we really have to rethink.
Hawezi rudi mahali wanaishi, serikali itawatafutia mahali pa kukaa. Na Minister wa Lands atashughulika na hayo maneno ya kutafutia makao. Pia tumesema tutawapatia dawa na pia tutawapatia vitu ambao wanahitaji kuzitumia. Kuna Ministry of ASAS and East Africa ambao ni special programs wanaweza kuwa support.
Tukubali kushikana mkono. Kwa sababu Mungu alipoumba ulimwengu, aliumba akaumba ukiwa sawa. Miti kila mahali. Lakini sisi tumekuja tukaharibu hiyo miti. Tumeikata. It is a high time we come back to our senses. Tuweze kushikana, we unite, tuhakikishe tumepanda miti.